A lot of people keep making the same promise about rest. I'll rest when things calm down. I'll rest after this week. I'll rest once this wave passes. That is the story. And it sounds reasonable until you realize in jobs like yours, there's always another wave. There's always one more email, one more problem, one more person to respond to, one more thing that feels like it matters. So if rest only happens when everything settles, rest never happens. And then you wonder why you're getting more numb, more impatient, more irritable. Recovery is not separate from your job. It is part of the job. If the role requires you to lead, decide, absorb, respond, and stay present under pressure, then your nervous system is doing work too. And systems that work need recovery, not as a luxury, as maintenance. That doesn't mean you have to have a retreat to the mountains. Sometimes recovery is 10 real minutes without input, a transition walk, silence in the car, not carrying one conversation into the next. Small recovery still counts. The goal is to stop draining faster than you restore. Give yourself the minute. You earned it.